Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove calcium buildup on aquariums. First, gather your supplies: white vinegar, a clean cloth, and a non-abrasive scraper. Calcium buildup, often seen as a white crust, is a common issue for many aquarium owners, especially those with hard water. It can make your tank look cloudy and less appealing. Don't worry, this easy method will help restore your aquarium's crystal clear appearance in just a few simple steps. Before we begin, let's ensure you have the right tools for the job. You'll need some common household items: white vinegar, a soft, clean cloth, and a dedicated aquarium scraper or a new razor blade. Safety first. Always unplug all electrical equipment, like heaters and filters, to prevent any accidents. Also, lower your tank's water level by a few inches. This gives you better access to the affected areas above the waterline. Now for the cleaning itself. Take your clean cloth and generously apply undiluted white vinegar directly onto the calcium buildup. Let the vinegar sit for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the acetic acid to break down the mineral deposits. Next, use your scraper or razor blade to gently lift and remove the softened calcium. Finish by wiping the area with a damp cloth to ensure all vinegar residue is gone, keeping your aquatic friends safe. To keep your aquarium sparkling, prevention is key. Regularly wipe down the glass above the waterline with a damp cloth to catch any new mineral deposits before they harden. Using purified or reverse osmosis water for topping off your tank can significantly reduce the introduction of hard minerals. Also, maintaining consistent water levels helps prevent the constant drying and re-wetting that contributes to buildup. A little routine care goes a long way.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.